Welcome back. Today we making strawberry and raspberry extract. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is cut up some fresh strawberry. Of course, rinse everything before you get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you coming back, hey y'all. So I also have some raspberry, and I'm going to fill it up with some vodka. So basically, whatever dice combination you have, you can go ahead and put it in a jar. So again, today I'm doing strawberry and raspberry. And you basically close it up after you finish adding the alcohol to the extract. This is how it's gonna look. So I let it sit for about 8 weeks, and then I clean the jars really good. This is the ones I'm going to store in. So to extract all this yummy goodness, I'm going to use a strainer this time instead of my cheesecloth. If you have cheesecloth, you go ahead and use what you have. But again, this has been sitting. As you can see the difference in the fruits. I just pour it in. Yes, it's catching the raspberry seeds for me, so I don't have to do that. And I just pour a little bit of those in there to make sure I get all of those juices. And that's pretty much it, guys. All I do is basically store it. I put a label on it. You can actually break it down into smaller bottles. Again, that's it. Y'all have a good day. Check you out next time in my video.